things that I have learned here, but things have been out of hands and I couldn't really finish a lot of stuff. But today, whatever I have put together is about customer attrition of the telecom data. It's basically about people who use a particular network, whether it is AT&T or Verizon or Sprint or anything like that. So what makes a customer leave a particular network and jump to another company's network and use that particular service? So this particular data set, I have pulled it up from Kaggle, and the model is designed to predict the behavior of retaining the customers and make them stick with the current network that they are already using. So the data set seemed to be pretty neat when I started to explore it, but there was only one particular one particular column or one particular data type that was not appropriate. That this data set has, and in this scenario as well, it ended up giving me values that would match exactly the length of the data set, like 7043 rows. All of them are intact. You can't exactly tell that whether it has any empty column at all or not. I tried running each and every of it, and what sort of tenure a person sticked before they switch to a different network. So this particular
So
case,
basically people jump quickly.
yes. So
If
within
they-
12 months, like this switch. But this is kind of interesting to see that there are people after 60 months as well who stayed.